For me, the Digital Business Week has been an opportunity to learn and meet new people and businesses.
The value change of the companies as we get more involved in social and environmental issues.
In general, ESG data would be very, very important for all our management decisions of our company.
Even the oil and gas companies are interested in promoting the energy transition and promoting these kind of technologies and innovations.
The Digital Business Week has given me a lot of knowledge and also gives me like a sneak peek of how my professional life is going to look like.
You cannot think in really big teams. You have to think always in really devoted and really dedicated, just a bunch of people working on that.
In these emerging technologies, we need more regulation, we need standards, and we need control. And that's why we need all society to work together to develop the technology.
The thing I like the most about my degree, Business Analytics, is the chance that I get to learn about businesses and at the same time apply knowledge of engineering such as programming and database.